Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you what to do if your OBS, in my case OBS Studio 30, keeps display of your monitor on. In my case, as you can see, I have it set for 1 minute, but you will notice that screen will be on no matter what. And I learned that I have some new files installed for OBS. In my case, it's input overlay, DLL, and once I remove, not rename, only when I remove this file, it goes smoothly, no problems anymore. So what are we going to do? We are going to now remove this file. It will complain that it's used by OBS, so we are going to close OBS. Now we are going to open OBS again and just have a look at the time, 20 seconds, so it's going to be 47:20. Let's wait out and have a look at the result of those manipulations. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Have a good time and bye bye and have a good time. See you later in the next video about something very interesting, or maybe not very interesting. Bye bye. And post, PS, it may be not DLL file. In your case, it may be something else. Check for any additions that you have in your OBS studio or whatever. Right. Hopefully this video helps.